This pen stopped writing. The reason? That tiny metal ball at the tip, it's missing. When I pressed down, the ball actually popped out and stuck to my finger. I placed it back into the pen and looked at everything under the microscope. This is how the pen works. The ball rolls and spreads ink onto the skin. When I touched the ink to my skin, it flowed between my fingerprint ridges like little rivers. Watch until the end. I'll show you what a pen looks like inside when the tiny ball is missing. Hey, quick favor, help me hit my first 100 subs and join the team. Drop a comment with something weird or creepy you'd like to see under the microscope. I might feature your idea in the next video. And here's the inside of the pen without the ball. The ink just stays trapped. All the writing power depends on this one tiny ball.